Have you ever eaten a fruit preserve? We usually see peach or fig conserves. Have you seen a strawberry preserve? Today you will learn how to make a strawberry preserve to enjoy the benefits of this fruit for longer. Compotes and conserves are nice things to have at home because, besides helping preserve fruits and vegetables for a long time, they also add a nice touch to your dishes. Many people don't know that in conserves made with salted water or vinegar, foods suffer an anaerobic fermentation that boosts our health. The fermentation adds healthy bacteria and the foods end up acting as natural probiotics. This combination helps our intestine and body to function better. A strawberry conserve will benefit you with its powerful antioxidants and aid your digestion and skin health, and it is low in calories. Are you enjoying the video? Then don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Write down the ingredients for your strawberry conserve. 14 ounces strawberries, 1 cup water, 1/2 cup vinegar, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon brown sugar. Directions: halve or quarter the strawberries. Put them in an airtight, heat-resistant glass jar. In a pan, mix the water, vinegar, salt, and sugar and let it boil. After the sugar is dissolved, turn off the heat and pour the mixture over the strawberries. Let it cool. Store in a glass container with a lid. Close and let it rest for 5 days in a cool, dry place. Ta-da! Your strawberry conserve is ready. Serve cold. Try it at home with your family and friends, and then share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.